Hi friends, this is Vijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll show you a very important lesson, that is the say if your vendor has multiple bank accounts available and those are maintained in its master as well, but you are planning to deposit the payment to a particular bank account. Then how to achieve the same? It is a very common scenario being used across the globe, and it is a very common ticket being raised by the users in production support. So how to achieve the same? Now first of all, I'm going to show you a vendor master. K02, this is my vendor. Going inside, so this is the condition of the vendor master. Here my vendor 505 has 4 bank accounts associated with it, but they are asking us, the vendor is requesting us to pay the amount to its second bank, that is the Yes Bank. It has many banks associated with it, but how to map the same? If I want to deposit the payment to a single account, then what all are the required action to be taken? Now in this case, in this scenario, let me check my open item /n FBL5n FBL1n is the transaction wherein I can check the open item against that particular vendor. This is my vendor. Going to the open item, so this vendor has this open item available, so let me pay. First of all, let me show you the vendor master as well. Vendor master once again, FK02, this is the vendor master. So see, the first one is the Axis Bank, second one is the Yes Bank. Now first one is the Axis Bank. The Axis Bank has the bank account this associated with it. The bank account ends with 3000. So let me do one thing. Display, let me open it up in display mode. In this condition, let me pay the amount, let me pay the open item which is available, F110. So I'm going to pay the amount. I already have the parameter created. Let me show you the parameter. Company code is this, payment method is this, vendor, all these are given. Now just saving it, coming back, running the proposal. Proposal is started. Now going to display the proposal. It will automatically pick up the first account which is associated, which is maintained in the vendor master. That's the mechanism of SAP. Now going to the display proposal. See, this is the payee name, which is the vendor name. This is the country of the vendor, fine, and this is the payee's account number. Now this number is matching with this number. That means as per the SAP's mechanism, it automatically picks up the first account number which is maintained in the vendor master. That's the SAP mechanism. But let me pay it first. It is paid. Let me check. Running payment is still running. Yes, it is paid. Now going to the proposal log once again. It will show you the bank account which has been, see, it is reading all the bank accounts. The first one is 000, but while paying, it is picking up the first bank account which it finds. Now coming to here, yes, see, it is finding all the accounts which all are associated with it, but while paying, see, it says that bank details for the partner country at 561 account, these one are being used, means it is automatically picks up the first one. That's the mechanism of SAP. But here in our case, our vendor claims to deposit their money in a specific bank account. Say it is claiming to deposit their money in this one, not the first one or this one, as per their requirement. Then how to map the same? Here I do have a functionality given by SAP, this one, partner bank transaction. So I can use this one. Now how to do the same? Let me go to the change vendor. K02 given. This one herein I can give the ranking. The first ranking would be given in the system, would be picked up by the system while paying the same. Say I want to vendor wants to deposit the money in Yes Bank rather than the other banks. So I'll give the first ranking here. 0001 is my first ranking. Now let me rank accordingly as per their requirement. So my first ranking is given to the Yes Bank. So once I'll pay, all my payment should be given to this account that ends with 3999. So let me save it. Yes, it is saved. Now I'll post a vendor invoice /n FB60, and then accordingly I'll pay, and I'll show you that the second bank account is being used. The Yes Bank account is being used, which is ended with 3999 bank account. So I'm putting my vendor number here, putting the reference, invoice date, let me put current date as the invoice date, amount let me put 1000, then GL account, let me pick up any amount 1000, let me give a cost center as it is required field here, cost center given. Now click on the simulate button. System will simulate the transaction. Here the 200 GL account is the telephone expenses, so telephone expenses debit to vendor, that's the accounting entry, which is fine. Now I am saving it. Document would be posted and the open item would be generated accordingly, and accordingly I'll pay the amount /n FBL1N, going to the open item. Yes, 1000 is the due amount. Now let me pay it /n F110, and accordingly here in other screen let me open up the vendor master as well. K03, this is the vendor master wherein the ranking is given. So as per my ranking, this should be picked up first, the Yes Bank 3999. So let me pay. Test 5 is my parameter, going to parameter button, company code, let me put my company code here, payment method here, next payment date here, vendor 505 2505, going to the additional log, checking all the required. 505 is my vendor, 505 is my vendor. Now going to status, will save the transaction. Yes, it is saved. Now again running the proposal, let me check what happens. Proposal is created, going to display proposal. Yes, proposal is created. Now going to check which bank account it picks up. Name of the payee is DPL, that is the vendor name. See, account number is picked up as expected. So account number is 3999, ends with 3999. So this account was my account to be picked up. So this is the Yes Bank, wherein I have given the partner bank transaction 0001, means I had ranked this bank as the first one. So as per SAP's mechanism, it is taking up the one which I have given the first ranking. So that's the mechanism of partner bank transaction, and through which you can achieve this scenario. If your vendor claims to deposit the money to a particular bank account, amongst the multiple bank account maintained in their master, then you, by using this partner bank transaction, you can achieve this scenario. Let me do F1 here. Partner bank type, sorry, it is the field name is partner bank type. So by this you can achieve this particular scenario. So now the proposal is created. I am showing you the log of the proposal. See, again it is reading all the master data, all the bank account maintained in the vendor master. However, it is picking up the one wherein I have given the first ranking. So it is picking up this one, 3999, which is this one, which is the Yes Bank. So that's the mechanism. Now again coming back and doing the payment run. So payment is done. I'm going to the payment document, and again it is vendor debit to bank, which is expected. So that's fine. I hope this much is clear to you. The partner bank type functionality is clear to you as well. So if this is clear to you, then please like and subscribe the channel, and I'll come up with the next video. Till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.